Frost actually makes certain vegetables taste sweeter, and you need to plant them right now, in the middle of summer, to get that magic fall harvest. If you want a massive garden haul this autumn, June and July are your secret planting windows. Everyone thinks spring is the only time to start seeds, but midsummer planting is where the real garden flex is. Let's talk about the heavy hitters you need to get in the dirt immediately. First up, carrots and beets. You drop these seeds in the ground right now, and by the time the air gets crisp, you are pulling up the crunchiest, most vibrant root veggies ever. Then we have the fast growers like radishes and spinach. Radishes literally take about 3 weeks from seed to harvest. You can plant them, blink, and eat them. Spinach is basically a cheat code because you just keep cutting the outer leaves and it literally keeps growing back for endless salads. But the absolute wildest one that people always underestimate is kale. You plant kale in the blazing summer heat, which sounds completely backwards, but you actually want it to survive until it gets hit by the first fall frost. The freezing temperature chemically changes the starches in the leaves into sugars, making it taste incredibly sweet instead of bitter. It is a total game changer that will make you actually want to eat kale. You also want to get your cucumbers and zucchini in the ground right now. Give them a trellis to climb or some space to spread out, and they will produce so much food, you will be begging your neighbors to take the extras off your hands. Finish off your beds with some peas, bell peppers for that late summer crunch, and Brussels sprouts, because they also get ridiculously sweet in the cold weather. Summer planting is the ultimate garden hack to keep your grocery bill at zero all the way through November. Get your hands dirty this weekend, and your future self will be eating like absolute royalty.